Welcome to qnawire.
I'm going to make a generic triangle here, not drawn to scale. Triangle PQR, where we know that side P is 28, that's opposite angle P. Angle P is 120 degrees. Side Q is opposite angle Q, that's 22. And so to solve it means we're going to have to find the measure of angle Q, the measure of angle R, and side R. So let's start with the measure of angle Q. We can do this because we know angle P and side P. We can use the law of sines that says the sine of an angle over its opposite side is equal to the sine of another angle over its opposite side. We can cross multiply the 22 and then inverse sine so that angle Q is solved for. So the inverse sine, I'll make sure your calculator's in degree mode. If it's a handheld calculator, do second sine. 22 sine 120 over 28. And we get round angle measures to the nearest degree and size to the nearest tenth. So this is an angle measure to the nearest degree is 43 degrees. Angle R just completes the triangle. 180 minus the 120 minus the 43 is 17 degrees for angle R. Side R then can be found by taking the sine of 120 over 28 equals the sine of 17 over side R. Cross multiply, then divide by sine of 120. And we've solved for R. It's 28 sine 17 over sine 120. And we get 9.4 or 9.5 to the nearest tenth.